Kids' Choice Sports is almost here, and one thing's for sure, there will be slime.
You can get slime, you can get slime, you all can get slime.
So to kick off the summer slimiest showdown, we're challenging you. Can you guess who got slimed? Make sure to keep track of your answers so you can comment below and let us know how you did. All right, slime to play.
Game on!
Who is this slime-soaked dabber? Is it A, DeAndre Jordan, B, Andre Drummond, or C, Julian Edelman? The answer is A, DeAndre Jordan. Dab on it!
Hey, how cool is this, everybody?
Can you guess who's diving his way to slime? Is it A, Rob Gronkowski, B, Marshawn Lynch, or C, Russell Wilson? If you guess B, Marshawn Lynch, then you're in beast mode.
Now that is what I call an entrance.
Next up, which wide receiver made quite the slime splash? Whoa, can we get an instant replay on that? Okay, so is it A, Julian Edelman, B, Emmanuel Sanders, or C, Larry Fitzgerald? It's C, Larry Fitzgerald. You're getting good at this.
Hey, Larry, congratulations, man.
Now, it's time to go for the gold. Can you name the legend seen here? Is it A, Kobe Bryant, B, Michael Phelps, or C, Derek Jeter? If you guess A, Kobe Bryant, then you're the legend. Slime legend.
I was like winning the championship.
Bonus legend round. Which legend kicked his way to the gold slime? Is it A, Derek Jeter, B, David Beckham, or C, Michael Phelps? If you guess B, David Beckham, then you're kicking butt at this. Which Nick fashionista is rocking this slime look? Is it A, Rielle Downs, B, Ella Anderson, or C, Lizzie Green? It's A, Rielle Downs. She is owning slime fashion. Last but not least, are you ready for a tricky one? Want a clue? You've seen him 3 times before. Is it A, Michael Strahan, B, Russell Wilson, or C, Nick Cannon? It's B, Russell Wilson. He wears the green like a champ. Time to calculate your results. If you got 6 or more correct, then you're sliding your way into the Slime Hall of Fame. If you got 3 to 5 correct, then consider yourself a Slime MVP. If you got 1 to 2 correct, then you're a Slime All-Star.
You win some, you lose some.
So how'd you do? Let us know in the comments below. And don't miss all the slime go down at Kids' Choice Sports.